The Walmart app does not process WIC payments directly in most states, so WIC purchases are usually completed in-store, even if you use the app to plan your shopping list. By the end, you'll know how to use the Walmart app with WIC, what the app can and cannot do, and the exact checkout process that actually works at Walmart. Here's how it breaks down. First, the Walmart app is mainly a planning tool for WIC users. You can use it to search products, check prices, and build a shopping list before you go to the store. But WIC benefits are not fully integrated into the Walmart app checkout system in many locations. That means you usually cannot complete a full WIC transaction inside the app like you would with a debit or credit card order. Next, the real WIC process happens in-store at Walmart checkout or self-checkout. When you arrive, you pick up only WIC-approved items. These are specific foods tied to your state's WIC program, and the eligibility is strict by brand, size, and type. At checkout, you separate WIC items from non-WIC items. This step matters because WIC can only process approved items, and mixing them incorrectly can cause the transaction to fail. Then you tell the cashier or select the WIC payment option at self-checkout if it appears on the screen. You swipe your WIC card, enter your PIN, and the system deducts only eligible items. Anything not covered by WIC must be paid with another method like cash, debit, or credit. Now here's where the Walmart app still helps a lot. You can scan barcodes inside the app while shopping to confirm product details, compare eligible sizes, and avoid picking the wrong version of an item. This is important because WIC approval often depends on exact product type, not just the brand. If something doesn't go through at checkout, it usually means the item is not WIC approved in your state, or the product details don't match your benefits list exactly. The key idea is simple. The Walmart app helps you prepare for WIC shopping, but the actual payment always happens in-store through the WIC system. Summary.tell. The Walmart app is for planning, not completing WIC payments. WIC checkout happens in-store with strict item rules, and most issues come from picking non-approved product versions. Next step is simple. Use the app to build your list, then double-check WIC eligibility before you shop. If you want more clear Walmart benefit guides like this, subscribe for more simple breakdowns.